Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable multi-factor authentication on Discord if you want to add an extra layer of security to Discord account. Firstly, to get started, open the Discord app on a desktop or mobile device and sign into your account. So over here on the bottom left there's a profile icon, select that and select setting gear in the top right corner, and from here you need to select your account again. So under your account, you need to scroll a bit down. Over here, you'll find this option for the Enable Authenticator app. Select that. And over here, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You need to select Next on the bottom. So over here, what you need to do is, next, you need to open your Authentication app and enter the code below here. And you need to open your Authenticator app and enter the code. And after that, you can select Next on the bottom. And that is it. After that, your multi-factor authentication will be enabled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.